Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I want to show you how you can take your line work that's in Procreate using a free app called VECTORNATOR. We can put it in there, and in about 3 easy steps that takes literally 10 seconds, you can change any line work into vector pieces. Vector's obviously brilliant when you need it for a logo, if it's a commission that's going to be printed to a large scale, and you know, most logos in today's age need to be done in a vector format. So with VECTORNATOR, it's free, and you can literally change any of your line work that you've done in Procreate or on any other drawing app to turn it into a vector piece. So here we go. At the top right, you can see the VECTORNATOR app. Like I say, it's completely free for desktop or iPad. We're going to be doing the iPad today. So we hit VECTORNATOR. It brings up this screen where your projects would be. On the top right, you hit the plus and then import. And then you want to go on your photos, get the line work that you've saved from Procreate. And as you can see, as we zoom in now, it's pixelated. It's decent quality still, but this will be no good if you want to print it to a large scale. So we want to change this into vector in literally a few seconds. We'll click the artwork. You can see the paintbrush at the top right. We're going to hit that. Scroll down a bit and you can see the box here called auto trace. So on the mode, we want sketch, the complexity up and the contrast up. All we're going to do then is hit auto trace and it's done. We now zoom in and we have fresh, clean lines that are now in a vector format. From here on out, you can then finish this piece in VECTORNATOR with your colors, your shadows, and whatever you need to do. And then you have a whole vector piece, and you can save the file as an AI, a PDF, anything you want. This is a brilliant free app that you need to get to change all your cartoons, your logos, your characters into a vector format. It's so easy.